Hello friends, you are on the Home Tips channel. In this video I will show you what happens if you mix hydrogen peroxide with citric acid. I think many people will find this advice useful, so let's get started. Take some container. For clarity I took a clear plastic cup. Pour 20 grams of citric acid into it and pour in 100 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide. Stir well to dissolve the citric acid. Now the most important thing is what you can use the solution for. I think everyone has something rusty at home or in the garage that needs to be cleaned. So this solution can be used to remove rust from metal. Take the rusty objects and put them in the prepared solution. It should cover them completely. Therefore, if the amount you mixed is not enough, just mix the peroxide with citric acid. Calculate the proportions as follows. For 20 grams of citric acid, you need to take 100 milliliters of peroxide. The reaction starts almost immediately, and look how the color of the water has changed. I've had 20 minutes and look, the solution has boiled and now it looks like soda. Leave it like that until the reaction is over. It's been 2 hours for me already. Let's see what happened. The water, by the way, has become almost black. First I take out the bolt and nut. There is paint and some dirt left on it, but no rust. The same goes for the tool for removing the seeds. And the key: try this method if you want to clean rust, and if you liked the advice, like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks everyone for watching. See you in other videos.